Hello everyone, and welcome to Skills Exceed. Today, we're diving into an essential Excel automation technique, hiding and unhiding columns using VBA, Visual Basic for applications. If you work with large data sets, you know how cluttered things can get. By using VBA, you can streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. So let's get started. What you will learn in this video. 1. How to access the VBA editor in Excel. 2. Writing a VBA macro to hide a single column. 3. Hiding multiple columns at once using VBA. 4. Writing a VBA macro to unhide columns. 5. Running a macro in Excel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete understanding of how to control column visibility in Excel using VBA. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Accessing the VBA editor. To begin, we need to access the VBA editor, which is where we will write our macro code. Here's how you do it. Open your Excel workbook, press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. In the editor, go to Insert Module to create a new module. This is where we'll write our VBA code. Let's start with a simple macro that hides a single column. Copy and paste the following code into your module. This command hides column C. If you want to hide a different column, simply change the letter C to your desired column. Step 3. Hiding multiple columns using VBA now. What if you want to hide multiple columns at once? That's easy with this code. This hides columns C to E. You can adjust the range based on your needs. Step 4. Writing the VBA code to unhide columns. Let's also create a macro to unhide these columns whenever needed. Use this code. Running this macro will make columns C to E visible again. Step 5. Running the macro. Press Alt plus F8 to open the macro dialog box. Select the macro you want to run, such as hide column or unhide columns. Click Run, and just like that, the columns are hidden or revealed instantly. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to automate column visibility using VBA in Excel. This technique is super useful for organizing your spreadsheets and improving productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more advanced Excel tips from Skills Exceed. See you in the next video.